on, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. It's back to school series. I'm so excited. This is the 10-year anniversary of my back to school series, which is huge, super exciting. Before we get started and I get too excited, click the subscribe button and turn on the notifications because you're not gonna wanna miss all of the fun content that we have going on for this series and forever. And it's going to be a blast. You're not gonna wanna miss it. And while you're at it, you might as well follow along on social media. So everybody, I'm not in like high school, college anymore. I'm going back to school, but that's a different story. Do you wanna know what it is? Give this video a thumbs up if you wanna know what it is or what I'm doing, or if you can guess. It is pretty inevitable that at some point in your school life, you are going to be late for school. It's gonna happen. We don't need these. There's a glare. I just wanted to look studious for a second. No one likes the feeling of being late, being rushed, feeling like you don't have your stuff together, getting to school, and then you're unprepared, you're frazzled, maybe you didn't eat breakfast, forgot deodorant, whatever it is. I'm gonna share with you guys my top tips for getting all of the things you need to do in a short amount of time, even if you're running late, so that way you still have a productive day and you can feel confident about your day, about yourself, and move smoothly through your school or work day. Before we get started, I would like to say thank you to Daily Harvest for sponsoring this video. I know you guys have probably seen their products all across social media before. They are known for the on-the-go smoothie, and I'm so excited to share with you guys all about their products and how they can make your morning more efficient and healthy. Let's go. All right, so the morning routine, we're gonna break this down into 5 things because it's a good number and it works well for this video. All the things we're gonna talk about are things that over time can become habits for you, or this is your running late routine. This just becomes your all the time. Basically, you just wanna establish good habits off the bat. One of those habits, which is going to be the second tip, is to be organized. Well, duh, hell, shouldn't we all be organized? Yes, but I'm gonna share with you a few things that you can do to really streamline your morning routine with organization. So the first one is to not pick out your clothes the night before and lay them out. I know everyone told you to do that, but no, we're changing this. So every time that you do that at night, you are taking time from your evening routine. Maybe you're somebody who getting that down would be a huge success for you. If you wanna have more of an evening routine as well, and you really just want to make your morning routine super simple for the whole week, we're going to plan out the entire week. So on Saturday or Sunday, whenever you're going to do your weekly planning, plan out Monday through Friday, have those outfits all together on a rack, and then have some Monday through Friday cards that you can attach to the hangers so that every day you just take your outfit and there is no extra work the night before and you can just chill out before you have another day at school.
You can also use washi tape or paint with nail polish the tops of your hangers to indicate clothes that you know work really well for you. That way you can see them easily in your closet and they're easy to pick out. You can also sort them by color, so all the tops could be green, all of the pinks could be sweaters, and it just makes getting dressed even quicker.
Now I know we are all planner obsessed and it's great to write down your morning routine in your planner on a piece of paper. I recently, and I don't know why I didn't do this before, found out that you can insert events into your notes. So you know how the iCalendar, you can put to-dos and stuff, but it's not like a real list oriented type of day in the iCal. I'm someone who likes to see that. What you can do is make morning routines, and I do them by different days if I have different routines for different days. So this is my Monday morning routine, and you can make the time an actual event in your calendar. You can highlight it and go to the right and you can create an event, which is so stinking smart. So you can have your entire morning routine listed out, timed, so that way when certain things have to be done in the morning, you get an alarm on your phone to keep you on track. You can set your alarm 30 minutes before you're really supposed to wake up to give you an extra 30 minutes. This isn't for everybody, but it's definitely something that has helped me in the past, and I still do it when I have a really busy day ahead of me. I don't want to feel rushed, so just suck it up, get up a little earlier. I also set my alarm to have little affirmations, so that way the first thing that I see in the morning is something positive, something that makes me feel like I really can accomplish what I need to accomplish, because you are capable of doing anything you set your mind to. Seeing that first thing in the morning is like, all right, Hale, out of bed, let's go, be better, you got this. Part of organization is always simplification. How can you simplify your morning routine so you don't have so many steps, but you still get a lot done and it's a good amount of work? It's quality over quantity. I am a firm believer in either preparing breakfast the night before or having something ready to go, so that way you can just get out the door and take it to work. Maybe you're not a breakfast person, but around like 10, 11, you start to get hungry. You want something that is already prepared, has good micro and macronutrients, so that way you are feeding your body with good food and you're not just going to the vending machines or the cafeteria for something quick. So this is where Daily Harvest comes into play. They provide nutrient-dense, plant-based foods that are already pre-portioned and ready for you to just either blend up, soak, or heat up. It's all you have to do. They have their smoothies, their harvest bowls, lattes, cold soups, and they are always coming out with new products. You can also trust that all of the fruits and vegetables are farm frozen, they're organic, so they're going to be extremely fresh. Each product comes with step-by-step instructions, and it only takes 5 minutes max to have your meal done. They're also gluten-free, vegan, and they fit a lot of different dietary preferences. There's no additives or preservatives. You simply go onto the website, build your own customizable box. Everything has been created by nutritionists and chefs, so it's going to be great for you and taste amazing. Then you get your box shipped right to your doorstep, freeze it, and then when you need one in the morning, you just pop it out and blend, soak, or heat. I will also have a promo code for you guys in the description box so you can get a discount on your first Daily Harvest order. I don't like to pick favorites because they all taste really good. For the sake of this video, the one that tastes like mint chip ice cream is the way to go. So the mint and cocoa purifier smoothie is what it is called on the website. This is my favorite post-workout smoothie. This smoothie would have been perfect for my after gym sessions before I went to school because it had banana and spinach, cocoa, chlorella. It was very energizing, had great nutrients, and it tastes so good. Being a holistic health coach and training clients, I always look at the nutrition facts. One thing that really stuck out to me about all of the products individually were the macronutrients, because you don't want to be giving somebody something that labeled healthy but has a ton of calories, and the Daily Harvest products are just like the perfect amount. All of the nutrition facts are done by the half serving, and even then when you get the full serving, it's still really great and an amazing thing that I would recommend to my clients. It's also fun because you can do different flavors, and that way you get to change things up every day, and it makes your school morning routine much more fun. Also, this might seem a little strange, but it could be a lifesaver if you're not going to be having your smoothie right away. If you have like a large insulated cup like this that fits the Daily Harvest cups, you can put it in there and put the lid on there so that way it stays colder longer. The fourth tip is to be tactical. Now, what that means is to be savvy and utilize things that are going to save you the most time and energy. For me, that was always my hair. I have very thick curly hair. I get it relaxed now and it's still kind of curly, but back in high school, it was like and I quickly learned how to kind of manage that. The night before, I will spray my hair, my homemade sea salt spray. I talked about this in my last video, my beach hacks video. It's very nourishing. It doesn't leave the hair feeling crunchy. I will spray that all over my hair, put it up into a bun that's kind of medium low, and I'll sleep in it. The next morning, I wake up, take it out, and it is just really nice controlled waves, and I'll give it another spritz of the sea salt spray and then a little dry shampoo. I smell good, my hair looks good, I'm good to go. I also really like portable products, multi-functional products. For makeup, I was always somebody who was like the 2-minute makeup person for school. If I didn't have time to do it, I'd bring a few products with me. Even better, if you really want to be tactical and organized, keep some products in your gym bag or in your locker, so that way if you don't have time in the morning when you get to school and you have a bathroom break or something in between class, you can go and freshen up. So if you have a favorite foundation and you don't want to bring the whole thing to school, I save my cushion compact, the foundations that have the sponges at the bottom, and I will put a little bit of my favorite liquid foundation in there, let it soak into the bottom, take this with me, and then I use like sponge applicator. I'm good to go, and it's portable, super simple. You can also shower the night before. That always helps. And then what I would do is use any type of cleansing cloth, freshen up the day of, and then that way you don't have to spend the time in the shower in the morning. The last tip is your attitude. And I know this is a weird thing, like how is my attitude gonna help me get moving better or not be late? Well, when you wake up, if you wake up and you're already feeling like, oh my gosh, I have to go to school, I have to go to work, it's not gonna help you get to where you need to go any faster. I set my alarm on my phone, and then where it allows you to save like a note underneath of it, I put a affirmation. I had to get up and bike at 5:30 in the morning. So I put get up and get going with my little shoe and a cup of coffee. Sometimes when I have days where I'm really busy and I need to be on it, I need to just move forward and always continue to be better. Favorite little sayings are focused, faith, hard charger, be better. Kyle always calls me the hard charger because my initials are HC. Get it? Hard charger. So that was all of my running late morning routine tips. As you can see, there's really not a whole lot that you can hack. It comes down to your habits and you just making these better decisions for yourself that becomes super easy for you. So that way when you are running late, it's a no-brainer, it's super simple, and you don't have to be as frazzled. I hope you guys enjoyed these tips. Like I said previously, I have all of the information in my description box for Daily Harvest. I'd love to know if you guys have tried them before and what your favorite one is, because on my next order, I want to try some new things. They have so many fun products. I couldn't order them all at once. I want to try some new ones. If you guys have not hit that subscribe button, go ahead, do it, because you're not going to want to miss all this back to school content for you. I am just like so over the moon about it. You guys know this is like my prime time. I love it. But as always, I hope you're doing well, and I will see you in the next video.